Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Note: depending on your notebook's configuration, you may have either a WLAN or WLAN Bluetooth combo module. However, the removal and replacement of these modules is identical and demonstrated in the following video. Before you begin, remove the battery, optical drive, rear corner covers, and top cover. Removal. Important: make careful note of which terminal the wireless antenna cable is connected to on the wireless module for later replacement. Carefully disconnect the wireless antenna cable from the wireless module by grasping the connector with a small pair of needle-nose pliers or tweezers. Caution: use care when disconnecting the wireless antenna cable from the wireless module. A damaged cable or connector can degrade notebook performance. Remove the 3.5mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the wireless module to the base enclosure and allow it to release to the spring tension position. Grasp the wireless module by the edges and pull gently to remove it. Place the wireless module in a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Grasp the wireless module by the edges and remove it from the static dissipative bag. Align the notch in the wireless module with the key in the wireless module slot on the system board. At an angle, gently insert the wireless module into its slot on the system board. Press the wireless module down and replace the 3.5mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the wireless module to the base enclosure. Reconnect the wireless antenna cable to the wireless module. Caution: use care when connecting the wireless antenna cable to the wireless module. A damaged cable or connector can degrade notebook performance.